Hey guys, I'm the cook's assistant and today we're making the Drunk Dragon from RuneScape. We're going to begin this recipe by taking a martini glass which we're going to fill with some pineapple that we've cut into the tiniest of cubes, and once we've done that we're going to take our pineapple-y glass for a quick trip to the freezer. Nothing says cocktail like a pot of cream, apparently. So to a bowl we're going to add a decent pour of double cream, followed by a not so decent, stuck to the spoon pour, of condensed milk. Now we're going to whip these two together until they're light and fluffy. Still not light and fluffy. Oh god, why did I do this by hand? Ugh, finally. Okay, so now that our cream mixture is at a soft peak stage, we're going to put it into the fridge for later. Taking our cocktail shaker, which yes, is a penguin because we're adults, and some ice, we're going to fill the shaker with ice until it's 2/3 full. Then, having measured out some vodka in our fanciest jigger, we're going to carefully pour this into our ice-filled shaker, followed by an equally generous measure of our favourite gin. To me, dwellberries taste like blueberries, so in goes some blueberry juice. Finally, we're going to add a little dash of sugar syrup as our blueberry juice didn't have a lot of natural sweetness to it. On goes the penguin's head, and as this recipe hasn't quite been exercised enough, we're now going to give our cocktail a vigorous shaking. We'll want to do this until the shaker's so cold that it's hard to hold and a large amount of condensation has formed on the outside. All that's left to do now is to pour our cocktail into our nicely chilled glass, ensuring that we don't disrupt our pineapple chunks too much. Now for the part where we find out if our dead arm has been worth it. We're going to carefully spoon some of our whipped cream mixture over the top of the cocktail and hope that it floats. And oh yeah, after a bit of gentle persuasion, it's worked. And there we have it, the Drunk Dragon from RuneScape. I'll just give this a sip and... oh my, this is a strong one. Delicious, but strong. I better go sit down. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you soon.